Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This video is actually about a helicopter and boat booking website. So in this website, you can actually book for either helicopters or you can book for those boat crews. So this is actually we show you how the website works and take you through each sessions of the website. It has the user dashboard, it also have the admin dashboard where total control is done. So this is actually the home page. This is the home page. So just like a company website that offers helicopter and boat chartered services. Okay, so when I click on browse, I'm going to see lists of the helicopters and list of the boats that have been added from the back side, the backend side, which is the admin. So okay, this is it. These are the helicopters and then the yacht that has been added. So when I can click on one of them to get details of to get the complete details. Okay, so this is the details of this one which I just clicked. Okay, so as you can see, this is class A, the foil, the passengers, the mileage, the cabin. So a user who wants to book for this particular one now, we need to get the full details of this um boat. So when I go to home, I want to book now. So I will click on book now. I have to log into my account. So if you don't have an account, all you have to do is to sign up here. So I'll log into my account now. So when I go to my dashboard, so you can see this is dashboard. It has this menu like the book now, the list of boats and the helicopters, the booking history, the profile, the change password, also send the tickets to the admin. So when I go to boat slash helicopter inside my dashboard, I'm going to see the list of the boats and the helicopters that has been added. So you can see now there's none here. This user has not added any boats or any helicopter. So what I just do is I can come here to add, click on add. So you can see now I can come and add now. So I can fill in all details here. I can fill it in and then I'll click on what on submit. So I don't want to do that now. I just need to go to I can go to book now. Okay, you can see boat booking, helicopter booking or multi booking. So this boat booking is just booking for just boats, while helicopter is booking for just helicopter, and this you can book for either of them. So when I come to boat booking, I can fill in details, number of persons, let's say 12. The dates for my booking, I can choose this to this. Then I'll select the boat type that I want. So I'll click on this. So you can see now I can select say and let's just say get it prepared. Then I'll send the request. So the admin will receive this request in the what admin side. You can see booking request successfully done. When I go to booking history, When I go to booking history, you can see the history of all bookings here. So you can see that now. Some are still pending while others are have been successful. Okay, so that is it for booking. Just a simple website, just so simple. So when I go to my profile to make some edits and make some changes, so this is my profile. I can edit my profile here, change my password, and also send a message to the admin through tickets. So you can see now this ticket is open. Okay, so what I'll do now, I want to show you how the admin side works and how the admin side actually controls this entire user end. So let's go to the admin link to log into the admin now. So this is the admin side now. You can go to all users to manage all the users that has registered. So you can see the all users now. So all the users that are registered on the platform. You can see that. So you can also scroll. When I go to boats slash helicopters, I will see all existing boats and helicopter which has been added. So you can see them now. I can actually edit any of them or view them. You can see now. So you can also edit. So editing, you fill in all these details. Okay, so I can also to add a new boat, you can click on add new. So you fill in all details here, like the title, the price per day, the categories. These categories can also be managed on the admin side too. So you can see that now. Fill in the down to these details too. All details will be filled. Then you click on submit. Click on what submit. So I can go to locations or categories. So you can create categories here, also delete category or edit category. So the category section is where you actually manage the categories which you are going to add, either the boats or the helicopter. So when you go to bookings, when you go to bookings, so you can see the details of each booking. So I can come to this action button and I click on the action button. So you can see the details here. So as the admin, I can verify and click on what's complete. So you can see booking request successfully was changed. So by the time I go to the user side and I reload, so let's go to booking history. So I'll go to booking history now. So the booking will be successful. So back to the admin, you can do some other site settings here in the admin. So this site is just so simple and easy to use and easy to understand. So I will teach you now how you can actually be able to set up this kind of website and get it running in no time. So before you can do that, you need a domain name. I also need your hosting. So I will log in into my hosting now and show you how you can actually set it up very fast. Okay, I just logged into my cPanel now, and what I'll do is I'll create a subdomain name. I'll create a subdomain name to install. So, okay, I'll click on create a new subdomain. So okay. Then when I enter my file manager, I will click on upload. From upload, I'll choose I'll select the file, select the file. Okay, now once you get this, it means that it has been uploaded. So I'll go back to my file manager and I will reload. Then I'll extract this file. So my file has been extracted. I'll reload this file again. So I'll move into this folder and then I'll select all. Then I'll move it. So don't forget to delete this file. So I'll delete it. So I'll go into application folder. I'll scroll down. If you can't see EAV file, if you can't see the EAV file, go to settings and show hidden files. So then I'll edit this. What I'm going to do next is to create a database. So I'll search for database wizard. Got it here, database wizard. So I'll create a database and copy and paste it. I'll create a password. Okay. I'll copy the password and I'll tick this and say use password. Then I will paste the password here. So I will then create a username and click on create user. Then I'll tick all this here. I'll tick this all privileges and I'll scroll down to either you click on make changes or you click on next step, either of them. So that's it. So next thing is to search for PHP my admin. So look at it here, PHP my admin, look at it here. And I'll click on it. So as that is opening, all you have to do is come here. You see this here? This is the SQL file. So I will download it now. Then I'll go to PHP I'll scroll down to my database. So yours might not be like this, but I have a lot of databases here. So I'll just select the database which I created. Then I'll click on export. I'll select file. I'll scroll down and click on import. So the database has been imported and the next thing I need to do is to check if my site is running. So I'll just check if my site is running now. So let's see. So as you can see now, my site is what is running. So the next thing is to do is to log into the admin. So I want to log into the admin now. To get the admin details, go to php and click on these admins. Look at it here. Click on admins. So this is the username here, admin. This is the username. I'll just copy and paste. So to set the password, I'll click on edit. Get it on this row. Just click on edit. What I'm going to do now is I want to reset the password. So because you can see the password is actually encrypted, I don't know what it is. I will just put the password which I want. Look at it here. And then I will select encrypt. So you can see now select what encrypt. Edit encrypt. Then I'll click on go. It's okay. So then I'll put in my password, which is 12345 6. I'll click on what submit. So you can see now, so my site is actually working very well. Then I'll have to do is to come down to the menus where I'll do the other site settings. So we have to do what the other site settings and upload your logo and do whatever to make it what start running and working. So this is how to set up this kind of boat booking and helicopter websites. So simple and easy to use. So thank you very much for watching this video.